So you're struggling with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or melasma and trying to find a solution for finally fading away skin discoloration and restoring your natural pigment again. You've tried a few products now like your kojic acids, your vitamin C serums, arbutin, and nothing really seems to work. Or maybe you haven't tried anything yet and you're experiencing skin discoloration and dark spots for the first time and you don't know where to start. Let's say if the dark spots are on the forehead, where I usually get them, on the upper cheeks, upper lip, etc. I get it. You want an effective solution without breaking the bank. If you're in this boat, then this video is just for you. I got you covered. I'm going to tell you about an at-home micro-infusion treatment that I personally use that not only transforms dull-looking skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and smooths texture, but also is an absolute game changer for brightening the face and removing dark spots, post-acne marks, and hyperpigmentation with results in as little as just one treatment. Give this video a like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on future videos. I talk extensively about evidence-based ways to improve your hair, skin, and health. So if that's something you're into, definitely consider subscribing. So microneedling has gained significant attention for its effectiveness in treating dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and is supported by growing scientific evidence. It's a minimally invasive procedure which involves the use of fine needles to create controlled micro-injuries in the skin. These micro-injuries stimulate the skin's natural healing process, leading to the production of new collagen and elastin. As the skin heals, it undergoes increased cell turnover, which helps to shed the upper layers of the skin where all the hyperpigmentation resides. Multiple studies have shown that microneedling can improve the appearance of dark spots by breaking down existing melanin clusters and encouraging the even distribution of pigment in the skin. Additionally, the microchannels created during the process enhance the absorption of topical treatments such as vitamin C or tranexamic acid, further boosting their effectiveness in lightening the hyperpigmentation as a whole. Unfortunately, a lot of at-home devices have issues with inconsistent needle depth. You carry the risk of infection with some of them, inconsistent pressure, scarring, and irritation. The Qure microinfusion system, in my opinion, has a good solution for this, and it also delivers serum directly to the skin to help increase absorption and, most importantly, results so you can get the best of both worlds. So when the opportunity opened up to partner with them in this video, I was excited because I was already looking for an at-home microneedling device that can also deliver serum for fading away dark spots, especially tranexamic acid, which helps reduce the activity of the enzyme tyrosinase, which then decreases melanin formation and prevents dark spots from becoming more pronounced. Because the science does show us that, for example, tranexamic acid, a popular ingredient that reverses melasma and discoloration, is able to be better absorbed after microneedling. Just ask some of the world's leading dermatologists like Dr. Shaw and Dr. Maxfield from Doctorly, who also like what the Qure microinfusion system has to offer. So let me show you guys the packaging and what you will be getting. You basically have three options: 1 month, 2 month, or the 3-month bundle. I have here the 3-month bundle. It comes with a microinfusion device, 5 clinical grade microneedling heads, so you can replace them each time, making sure it's clean and safe with each use, which I really love, and then the 6 clinically formulated serums. I have 3 of the rejuvenating serums that are designed specifically to target dark spots and to brighten the face, and 3 of the hydra-soothing serums, which target aging skin for your fine lines and wrinkles. Now, the reason why it comes with 6 serums for the 3-month supply is because you're supposed to use it every 2 weeks. So twice a month for 3 months, making 6 serums a perfect amount to see noticeable changes. Some people even notice results sooner than this as well. But if your skin is more on the sensitive side, you could use it once every 4 weeks too, which is not a problem either, guys. And basically how this 2-in-1 system works, guys, is that it uses these nearly painless needles, which you can see right here, to create tiny micro channels in your skin with a gentle stamping technique that I'll show you how I've been using. Speaking of these needles, I want to show you a closer look. These are 24 karat gold plated clinical grade needles that are designed at 0.5 millimeters to ensure both safety and precision, which are very important. Something else Qure gets right, because virtually it's painless to use and it doesn't hurt at all. What it does, like we mentioned, is it creates tiny channels that kickstart your skin's natural healing process, and at the same time these microchannels allow the formulated serums to penetrate deeper, getting just right under the skin surface, the stratum corneum, to deliver the active ingredients more effectively so you can get that glowing complexion. What's the active ingredient, you might ask? Well, for the rejuvenating serum for dark spots, you get 3 of the most effective ones. You get epidermal growth factor, niacinamide, and tranexamic acid. Only now you're getting it deeper into the skin, so it works better. The main ingredients in the hydrosoothing serum are the beta-glucan, niacinamide, and the tripeptide 1 peptide, which is going to tackle the fine lines and wrinkles. If you're unsure though with which serum to go with, you can actually get both with your order, no problem. And actually the real reason why everyone's obsessing over Qure's microinfusion system is because essentially you're getting an in-clinic treatment, but instead of paying $300 per treatment, you're getting it less than $20 a treatment at home, which only takes 5 minutes every 2 weeks, guys, which if you do the math, it costs up to 15 times less than professional in-clinic treatments, saving you both time and money. And another benefit is, let's say you have a big event coming. It's going to be ideal for quickly enhancing your skin before, let's say, an important occasion, since you'll see visible results after just 1 treatment, which is awesome. So to start, I recommend doing this at night after you've already cleansed the face. You want to twist open the lid of the device. It already comes with the needle lid. So twist that off and pour the serum of your choice into the chamber. This is what the serum looks like. Already looks medical grade and professional, which I really like. They actually sent me both serums, but for today I'll use the rejuvenating one. Once you pour it in, secure the lid back on just like this. Then you can go ahead and leave the device upside down for 1 to 2 minutes. And while you're waiting, wash your hands and make sure they are clean. Once the serum has enough time to make its way to the needles, take off the lid and start the microinfusion process. You notice how there's a lot of serum in this? You want to make sure you use the full amount and not save any for later. Any leftover serum though, guys, just apply it on the face and leave it overnight. You want to start at the center of the face and work your way outward just like this. I've been starting with my forehead first, stamp just like this. You barely feel anything, so don't worry, and keep moving outward. You will notice a little redness at first, which is perfectly normal. If you have any breakout, guys, you want to make sure you don't stamp over them, so you just want to avoid that area. And if you guys want, you can actually focus on areas where you have the most texture issues or wrinkle issues. And guys, every stamp that I do, I give it about 1 to 2 seconds. If you see some excess serum, you can massage it in like this. Now, I don't recommend using anything else on top of the skin once you finish. You can go to bed, and when you wake up the next day, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and apply nourishing moisturizer. Once you're done with one side of the face, you can switch over to the other side and repeat. And guys, don't forget, this is safe to use on the neck as well. It's going to also improve the appearance of fine lines, especially if you have neck creases, horizontal lines, and age-related skin concerns in the neck area. Also super important, I may have already said this, but each needle head is to be used 1 time per session and disposed of after each treatment. And of course, guys, this is no miracle treatment, but as you can see, there are so many that saw amazing results, and the feedback here is great. Click the link below, as it's going to save you 10% off if you do decide you want to try out an at-home microinfusion system to get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. In addition to microinfusion systems like the one by Qure, you're going to want to implement a few other things to help speed up getting rid of your dark spots and to stop them from getting worse. The first is consistent sun protection. Now, this doesn't mean avoid the sun, but by consistently applying a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, you're shielding your skin from harmful UV rays, which in turn reduces the activation of tyrosinase. This helps prevent the overproduction of melanin and the formation of dark spots. You can also wear protective clothing such as hats and sunglasses, and seeking shade during peak sun hours. One thing that I will say about sunglasses is that some metal pieces and plastics in the sunglasses itself can absorb too much heat, and when the sunglasses are pressed closely to your skin, they can create localized heat in the areas where they contact your skin, such as the bridge of your nose and around your temples, and can cause dark spots, so keep that in mind. Secondly, is to avoid picking at the skin, especially after microinfusion or on any active breakouts. It can cause inflammation, which then stimulates the activity of melanocytes, the cells responsible for producing the melanin in the first place. When these cells are overactivated due to inflammation, they produce more melanin than usual. The third is to go through your skincare products and remove all the harsh products. Products containing harsh ingredients like alcohol, sulfates, or strong exfoliants can irritate the skin, causing inflammation. Sometimes if the skin also has a compromised skin barrier, it becomes easier to over-exfoliate it without even knowing. So scrubs or chemical exfoliants can strip away the skin's natural barrier, especially when the skin is trying to heal itself. This is where the infamous PIH comes from, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is what we want to ultimately avoid. More on that in this video here. Now guys, let me know what your thoughts are down below. If you do decide to try out Qure's microinfusion system, please let me know what your experience is like with it down below. Or if you have any questions on dark spots and hyperpigmentation in general, I'd love to answer them for you down below. Until then guys, if you found this video useful, click the subscribe button to not miss out on future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.